True or false? Lead magnets are extremely difficult to create and they take a lot of time to produce. Well, that, my friend, is false. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a lead magnet or a guide in 10 minutes or less. Let's jump right in. Assuming that you're someone who has expertise or knowledge in a certain area worth sharing with other people, then there are plenty of opportunities in lead magnets that you can create. The easiest way to organize this information into a digestible format is to use a template. For the purpose of this video, I am using Canva Pro. I use Canva literally every single day for lots of content related projects. So let's see what type of guides they have for us. So using Canva, all you have to do is type guide into the templates section. And here we're met with dozens and dozens of templates that you can customize and import your information to create your lead magnet. For the sake of time, I have found one that I want to use, and it's this one here. So all we have to do is hit customize as template, and it will create a new project for us. Now for the lead magnet that I'm creating, this one is called the Decision Diamond Guide. Now this guide is a guide that was created by Sean Dill and Lacey Book of the Black Diamond Club. In this, we have the main information that we need to organize and put into our template. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the template a little bit so that it will be able to accommodate the information that we have here on the guide. The guide has 7 main points, so I needed to make space for all 7 of those to fit on the PDF. And so we're going to add the title to the top of our template. And we'll also size this down a little bit. We also have a little subtitle here. And we have a little summary here. Add this. The easiest part is now copying and pasting all the information from the Google Doc onto the PDF. This part took me all of about 3 minutes to do, and I sped it up just for the sake of this video. And so that was just how quickly I was able to copy the information here from our Decision Diamond Guide onto the actual template. And we could do a few things to spice it up a little bit, make it our brand colors. I also recommend adding your URL, your website, or any social media links to your guide, just so people know where to go if they want more information. And you also get the credit for putting the guide together. It makes it less easy for people to just blatantly copy what you have created. And boom, a really simple lead magnet. Again, this isn't anything too crazy. We use a template here in Canva. The main piece was having all of the information organized, but it's laid out here. It's nice, it's ready to go. All we have to do is export it as a PDF. We want to flatten the PDF, include all 3 pages, and hit download. Now you might be wondering, what do I do now? Well, there's 3 things. Number 1, you need to put content in front of this lead magnet so people can discover you and so that you can provide them with the value that they're looking for. Number 2, you need to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. I'm kidding, but if you really did, go ahead and do that for me. And if you need help with number 1, then you need to do number 3, which is to watch this video right here that's on screen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.